So in this video, we're going to talk about the help menu. So we have After Effects help, After Effects in-app tutorials, After Effects online tutorials, scripting help, expression reference, effect reference, animation presets, keyboard shortcuts, system compatibility report, Adobe crash reporter, enable logging, reveal logging file, online user forums, provide feedback, manage my account, sign out, and updates. Okay, so the ones that are the most important in this area is the search menu. That's important because you can search for help. Adobe After Effects help is going to pop open their website, and you basically can find all the information you need here. So get started, tutorials, user guide, okay? That's all there. All there. And like I said, be teachable, be moldable. Don't be an expert, okay? Even if you're an advanced user, that's fine. I applaud your work, but always remember, everybody starts at the same point. They don't end up at the same point, but they start at the same point. Okay? Then we have After Effects and App Tutorials. If I click on this, it's going to pop open the Learn panel where I can start learning the basics and the After Effects overview. Okay? Not a bad place to go. Then we have online tutorials. So if I click on that, it's going to open up the After Effects tutorials. So beginner and experienced. Export for Vimeo, export for Facebook, Instagram. Prepare vertical video for Instagram stories. Export broadcast quality video projects. Okay. Now, I think, honestly, all of this information is very important and very good. But the stuff that I'm going to be showing you is way more advanced than this. Okay. For the beginner part, that's good too. You have get to know, work with compositions, create and animate, repair video, build custom transitions, render your work in 3D, etc. Okay. So there's a lot to do with After Effects and tutorials. So again, be open-minded, be ready to go. Scripting help, expression reference, effect reference, animation presets, keyboard shortcuts. Okay, if I click there, this is going to give me another work with visual keyboard shortcut editor. Okay, that's that. Then we have system compatibility report, Adobe crash reporter. We're going to enable login. Okay, you must restart After Effects in order to toggle auto login. Click changes and quit. Okay, I'm going to cancel, but the reason why we want to have that on is so if After Effects crashes, you know why. And then you can send that into Adobe. All right. So for now, I'll leave it off, but there you go. Online user forums, provide feedback, manage my account, sign out. It just signs out of your account. Updates. If I click on this, it's going to take me to my Creative Cloud web app. In this instance, I'm on the desktop app, but there is an update. Okay. So update to the latest version to ensure continued quality and performance. I'm not going to do that right now, but you can always find the latest updates right here in the updates menu. Okay. So that's that. Manage my account. That just takes me to adobe.com. Provide feedback. If I click here, it's going to give me a place to enter my idea, my feedback, etc. And that's the help menu. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.